Hello everyone, and now I will tell you how to write the letter B. Not only tell but show. So most of the time you start just with a stroke here, just a stamp of the letter, and go up from the down here and make a little curve. That's the most basic B is there. But how do I connect it with other letters? There are several ways to do it. You start the same, go upward, down, and make a little connection here. Or you can make the same connection a little bit lower. Or you can make the same connection as in here, but a little bit smaller. Something like this. There is another variant for the connection that I'm not a big fan of it, but it is there, so I just need to show it to you. That's where you draw the letters just as in here, but you connect it not inside but outside, so it would look something like this. Also, there is completely different way to write the letter B. It came from cursive style of letters, so you start down, make a curve here, go up, and make a connector here. You can connect it on the upper part of your line height, but also you can make it like 2/3 or something. Let's try this here. Yes, that's just not so big as this curve here, but also look pretty nice. The last but not least variant is kind of a connection between this one. That's where you start at the bottom, make a curve up, go down, and also can make a little curve here. So you see that's where the connection would be not just like this one with another letter, let's for example A or something like that, but you actually make it to the top of the letter. Okay, let's try the letters with the brush pen. I will use italics, so that's how you draw the basics. Okay, let's try this one. Stroke down, I make it a little bit curved here, just like the way it looks. Okay, now stop here and make a connection. Let's try this one. Go down, go up, go further down, and make a connection. Let's try this one with a little knot at the end. Go down, up, and a little connection. So that's nice. Also, be sure to not to make the letter B too wide when using kind of this style, because it could resemble the letter H and you don't need it. Let's try this cursive variant of B. It could be done in 2 motions. Up, down, and in here a connector, just like to make it like this. And let's try the last one. Go up, a little bit of weight in here, you see. The line here is a little bit bolder than down here. That's because you need to emphasize the connection, and the same thing down here. So that's how you draw the letter B. And now let's try some words. Let's start with a bear. I will use this letter B. Okay, something like this. How will it look like inside a word? Let's try it out with the word humble. I will try to do it the straight style, not the cursive one. So the letter H go in, down, upward, down, upward, down. Nice word practice actually. The upper and down strokes. And let's try this B here. Or actually not. Let's try kind of like this one or something like that, so it would rhyme nicely with the letter H. And let's connect it like this, so it wouldn't interrupt our rhyme. The letters. And the letter E I will make like this one. Yes, pretty nice. And the last one I will try with my calligraphy pen. This will be something more wild, so let's write the word beast. I will draw some guidelines here because I like this style. So as you see here, I've tried to use kind of this, I guess this variant, yes. And now it's too bold, but we can just change another letters a little bit, so it would look nice here. Let's make this one bolder. And this one. And a little underline here. Yes, that looks really nice. So that's how you write the letter B. There are pretty much a lot of variants for you to use.